In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add labels in Microsoft Planner. This is a useful feature that helps you organize tasks more effectively within your plans. So, let's get started. First, log into your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to the full suite of productivity tools under Microsoft 365. After logging in, find and open the Planner app from the main dashboard. This takes you to where you can create, organize, and track your tasks. Next, go to the My Plans section. Here, you'll see all your existing plans and any new ones you've been meaning to start. Choose the specific plan you want to work with, whether it's a recent project or an ongoing task list that needs better organization. Once you've opened your plan, switch to Grid View. This layout is great for visualizing tasks and planning effectively, as it allows you to see everything at a glance. And it's also where you'll add your labels. In Grid View, navigate to the Labels section. You'll see a set of colorful, predefined labels ready to use. These labels act as quick visual identifiers for different task types, priorities, or categories within your plan. If you want to make your labels more meaningful, it's easy to customize them. Select a label within the task details and simply type a new name for it. Renaming labels adds clarity and helps team members instantly understand the purpose of each task. You can also click Edit Label Name to make changes directly, ensuring your labels remain descriptive and relevant. If a label is no longer needed, removing it is just as simple. Open the task details and click the X next to the label you want to delete. This keeps your workspace clean and up to date. And that's it. You've learned how to quickly add, edit, and manage labels in Microsoft Planner. With customized labels in place, your task management will become more organized, efficient, and visually clear. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with Microsoft Planner.